Hi, welcome to Coraceous TV. Today I'll be sharing another wonderful strategy you can adopt to actually start a good business for yourself. A good business for yourself. A good business for yourself. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named Amazon. Amazon.com. Amazon.com. So I'm currently now inside Amazon.com. I want you to search for blenders. So this is different blender available here in this platform. So you can see Amazing Beach blender, Ninja Professional blender with 1000 watts, Mega Kitchen System, Professional blender, Ninja Twisty blender, Ninja Professional countertop blender, and many more blender. So let's make use of this Amazing Beach blender, which is the cheapest. You can see Amazing Beach, you can see $39. This one is $39. Okay, to the last you can see $40. So now let's check $40 to Naira. Let's convert it. It's still loading. So let me show you. You can see the price is 16,610. So I want you to go to a platform like Jiji, which is our Nigeria e-commerce site, and search for Amazing Beach blender. So this is the same blender we saw on Amazon. You can see Amazing Beach high performance blender. You can see the price is 190,000 naira. Let's scroll down again. Can see this one is 75,000 naira. This one is 70,000 naira. This one is 75,000 naira. This one is 72,000 naira. 65,000 naira. 123,000 naira. 7,000. Now let's go to Jumia.com again. You can see 80,000 naira, 95,000 naira, 80,000 naira, 100,000 naira, 95,000 naira, 80,000 naira, and many more. So now let's go back to our search term, which is, we realize that the first price we actually get from Amazon is what? $40. Then when we convert it, it's like 16,000 plus 16,610. Now let's minus 80,000 from 16,610. 16,610. Can see the price left is, the profit is 63,390. This is a good business. You can start also here. Okay, now let's deduct the price of maybe expense for you was importing the goods from that country to our side here. That shouldn't be more than 20,000 naira. So at least you'll be having up to 40,000 naira. Imagine, see that huge profit. By the time you get this, purchase like 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see you have already started a good urge business to start living life for yourself. So that's just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop some video just like this. Thanks.